Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 24 and our topic is what's in a name. So now let's learn about our topic which is what's in a name. So here we can see first photograph of Big Bang. Big Bang. So what is Big Bang? So here Big Bang. So Big Bang is this name of a clock tower on the northeastern of the British Parliament building in London. So, tourists in London, here we can see a photograph of Big Ben. It's a clock tower. So, tourists in London always want to visit Westminster and see Big Ben. They want to see the clock, the bells. Big Ben is a really in its tower and to hear a bell. So you hear it every hour and it is a big bell. So big bell or a big bell. So it has a hear it on the radio. This is the BBC and the time is 6 o'clock and you hear the deep boom of Big Ben 6 times a deep tone and you can. So, a clock is a very accurate. So, here we can see a photograph of a Big Ben clock. So, the clock is very accurate and the speed of the clock is adjusted by a placing odd penny coins on the pendulum and adding a coin speed and the clock by 2/15 of a second every 24 hours. The clock is very accurate and the speed of the clock is adjusted by placing old penny coins on the pendulum, adding a coin speed, a clock by 250 of a second every 24 hours. And the name Big Ben actually refers only to 13-ton bell located within the clock tower. The tower itself is actually called simply the clock tower. So, tower's height, here we see a tower's height is 96.3 meters and the tower part of the clock work settles down at height of 55 meter from the ground and at the diameter of the dial in 7 meters and length of arrow 2 or 7 and 4 or 2 meters. Clock long time was considered as the biggest in the world, and when the clock start to land behind on the pendulum is placed all English penny which accelerates its movement for 25 seconds per day. So children's in the basis of each clock's dials is a inscription on the Latin domain, Slavum face region, and Northam Victorium premium. So, which means, O Lord, save our Queen Victoria. So, children, now next Hampi. So, Hampi is famous for its ruins on the bank of the river Tungabhadra. So, Hampi is a village located near a hospet town in the Karnataka state, India, and the name Hampi can also mean a champion is located within the ruins of the city of Vijayanagar and the former capital of Vijayanagar Empire, and the vast straight stone spreads make the backdrop of Hampi unique, dotted around the hills and the valleys. So, Hampi, ancient village on the bank of Tungabhadra, ancient village on the bank of Tungabhadra. So, here is the Hampi. And Bellary district and in Karnataka. So it's 353 kilometers from Bangalore and 74 kilometers from Bellary and 30 kilometers from Hospat. So, Vitala temple complex. So, Vitala after whom the temple is known is a form of Lord Vishnu as the epicenter of Hampi's attraction, and it is the most extravagant agriculture showpiece of Hampi, and the temple is built in the form of sprawling campus with the compound wall and gateway towers. So there are many hills and pavilions and the temples located inside the campus. So this is the Vitala temple complex. So now Hampi is the mainly threatened by a unplanned development, undercut protection, and seasonal flooding. Above is a collapsion entry at the Chandra Muleshwar temple. So, children, you all are understand about Hampi. So now next, bullfighting. So, bullfighting is the national game of Spain. So, here we can see a photograph of bullfighting. So, bullfighting is a big bullfighting. Spain is a very big on bullfighting along with Mexico. So, reasons for a continuing bullfighting in Spain. So it is a cultural tradition that they wish to maintain, and the king of Spain claims Spain will leave Europe if they are forced to ban bullfighting. So it's a tradition. Bullfighting can result in injury or even a death. In a bullfighting can result in an injury or even a death at a time, but people still do it because it is a tradition. Because it is a tradition. So in a Spain national game is bullfighting because of their tradition. So, history of bullfighting. So, bullfighting began in 771 AD, and it was the festival to honor a new king. And bullfighting has continued to be performed at a festival and most Sundays in Spain. So, children's bullfighting is the national game of Spain. So, now next, Greenland. So, Greenland is where the Inuits, Eskimos live. So, Greenland is the largest island in the world and only misses out on continent. Here we can see a photograph of Greenland. So, because of its population size, located between the North Atlantic and Arctic Ocean, and it is an independent territory of Denmark. And despite its size, it is the mostly uninhabited. So, Greenland is where the Inuits Eskimo live. So, now next, other family members in Greenland include the Arctic hare, collared lemming, ermine, and Arctic fox. So, these are the another animals that live in a Greenland. Okay, now next, this is a Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is in, so it's in a Mumbai. So here we can see a Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is a second busiest airport in South Asia and was ranked 48 busiest airport in the world. So, gateway of Mumbai. The airport handles 1/5 of the India's air traffic. So this is a picture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. So it's constructed by joint venture of AAL, Airports Authority of India, and GVK. So, India's first and most advanced vertical passenger terminal. So, it's the world's longest glass wall structure, spanning up to 11,000 square meter and terminal size 40 million passenger per annum, and the total area spanning over 400,000 square meter. This is in Chhatrapati Shivaji International Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, International Airport. So speed and ease of access. So check in a country's immigrations counters, self-check in case fixed link bridges 25 and baggage Carluzis 10 and India's largest multi-level car park. Comfort and assistance. So it's a green landscape, uh, pranam and prayer rooms, close proximity to cities, renovated five-star hotels and other facilities. So these all are facilities in Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Then overviews New Gateway of India that took 7 years of completing amidst of the constraints that included a land side and the air side limitation and the design inspiration by the India's national bird the peacock. So now Prophet Muhammad was born. So it's Prophet Muhammad was born in Makkah. Now next scuba diving. Scuba diving. So what is scuba diving? So self contained underwater breathing apparatus and underwater diving in which a diver uses a scuba set to be breathed underwater. So scuba diving is a underwater sport. Scuba diving is an underwater sport and which a diver uses a scuba set to be breathed and underwater. So now next slide and 10 ways to be remembered as an obnoxious driver. So first, be the coral monster. Second, abuse and harsh marine life. Brag about how many dives you have done. Number 4, keep interpreting the briefing. Number 5, climb your space everywhere. Number 6, do arrive late. Number 7, use the camera rains bucket to raise your uh, gear. Number 8, camera bucket. Then number 9, photo bomb the pictures from fellow drivers. And number 10, be a bad dive buddy. So these things remember as an obnoxious diver. So now next, a seahorse is a type of. So it's a type of fish. Seahorse. So here we can see a photograph of seahorse. So the seahorse are a tiny fish. They are named after the shape of their head that sort of look like a head of tiny horse. And there are at last 25 species of seahorse and the spiny sea dragon. You will find them in the world's tropical and temperate coastal water. So, a seahorse appears to be very different from other fishes in the sea, and they are tiny, have a horse-like head, and monkey-like tail, and kangaroo-like pouch, and their eyes are like a chameleon. Eye are like chameleon. So they have a thin skin stretched over a series and of bony plants that are visible as rings around the trunk. And habit. So seahorse are found in a tropical and subtropical coastal and reef water all over the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. And seahorses are also found in mangrove roots and sea seagrass band, mud slopes, and open waters, eel grass, Seahorses are also found in mangrove roots, seagrass, beds, beds and mud slopes and open waters is grass. So, claps and rocks, and the large belly seahorse is the only seahorse found in New Zealand. So, children, you all are understand about seahorse. So, now next slide. India Gate. So, India Gate is in Delhi. In Delhi, so here we can see a photograph of India Gate. So, it is the national monument of India and situated in the heart of Delhi. Heart of Delhi. It was built by Sir Edwin Lutyens in 1931. So it's a commoners and the soldiers of the Indian Army who lost their lives while fighting for the Indian Emperor, who are symbolized by the eternal flame, uh, Ambar, Amar Jawan Jyoti. So, symbolized by the internal flame Amar Jawan Jyoti, Republic Day pride in had here every year. No Delhi visit is complete without an evening spent at the India Gate Laws. So, India Gate is located in Delhi, and it was built to pay the home, homage to the soldiers who died in the First World War. And there is a shrine under the gate. So, India Gate Memorial, New Delhi, India. This monument was built by a British between 1921 and 1931 to commemorate 82,000 dead soldiers of the British Indian Army who died in a war between 1940 and 1921, including the First World War. So, 30,280 names are listed on the India Gate. So, now next, kangaroo. So, here we can see a photograph of kangaroo. So, kangaroo is a native to Australia. Kangaroo are mammals, and they are also the biggest of all marsupials, up to 2 meters tall, and they can weigh up to 90 kilograms, and they have two strong hind legs and two front legs, and long strong tail that they use for a balance. So, here also we see a front leg, kangaroo's front leg, hind leg, and long strong tail. So, kangaroo, a mammal such as a kangaroo, opossum, or a wombat whose young continue to develop in a pouch on the outside of the mother's body, and we want to the zoo to see the many marsupials in the kangaroo pen. So, kangaroo need a little water. Some facts about kangaroo. So, kangaroo need a little water, and they are in a danger of extinction, and they are considered pets, and a baby is called a joy. So, baby kangaroo is called joy. So, children, you all are understand about kangaroo. So now next slide, and it's Oliver Oliver Twist. So uh, Oliver Twist is the author of Oliver Twist is Charles Dickens. So author of Oliver Twist is Charles Dickens. So which is what is the story about Oliver Twist? So a brief introduction is Oliver Twist is a child of unknown parent born in a workhouse and brought up under a cruel condition to which pauper children were formerly exposed and tyrant at whose hand the especially suffers being bumble and the Paris battle after experience of an unhappy apprenticeship and he runs away, reaches London and fall into the hands of a gang of thieves. So, Oliver Twist is a great novel by Charles Dickens. It's published since in 1837. To 1839, and the story is about an orphan boy, orphan Oliver Twist, and it is a social novel and uh, illustrate is George Christian. So, Charles Dickens, born in 1812, most popular novelist of his time, and Dickens was very passionate about the poor. Novels reflect the condition of England, and mostly Christmas Carol was published is 1843, and it should be in a sixth day. So, children's in today's lecture we learn about a different name. So now we are doing exercise on it. Unit number 24. What's in a name? So children's, you all are right with me. So take the correct answer. Number first, Big Brother or Big Ben is the name of the clock tower on the northeastern and the British Parliament building in London. So what is the name? So its name is Big Ben. Big Ben is a clock tower building in London. Now number 2, Hampi or Hyderabad is famous for its ruins on the bank of rivers Tungabhadra. So it's a Hampi. Hampi is famous for its ruins on the bank of river Tungabhadra. Now number 3, bullfighting is a national game of Italy or Spain. So it's a national game of Spain. Bullfighting is a national game of Spain because their tradition. Now number 4, Greenland or Antarctica is where the Inuits, Eskimos live. So it's Greenland. In Greenland, Eskimos live. So now number 5, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is in Mumbai or New Delhi. So it's in Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is in Mumbai. Now next, Prophet Muhammad was born in. So he was born in Makkah. Now number 7, scuba diving or a cliff diving is underwater sport. So it's a scuba diving is an underwater sport. Now number 8, a seahorse is a type of horse or a fish. So it's a type of a fish. So it's a type of a fish. Okay, very good. So now number 9, India Gate is in a Delhi. So India Gate is in a Delhi. Now number 10, The kangaroo is native to Australia. Kangaroo is native to Australia. Now number 11. A group of musicians playing instrument in singing together is called an orchestra. It's called an orchestra. Okay, now it's called an band. So now number 12, the author is Oliver Twist is Charles Dickens. So author of Oliver Twist is Charles Dickens. So you all are understand. Hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students.